is the best form of liposuction that is available to patients. Okay. I mean, whenever everyone wants this, don't they? I think I'd want this. If I was having liposuction, I'd want to Google the best form of liposuction. There is, I mean, if there was one, we'd all do it, wouldn't we? Why would we not do the best form of liposuction? If there was one which is the best form of liposuction, and it's a bit like the breast implant question, where there was a breast implant, and there isn't one. There's pros and cons of all of them. And the important thing is with liposuction and types of liposuction, the important thing is with breast implants and type of breast implants is really the surgeon. And I think you need to make sure your surgeon has got an eye, knows what you're talking about, is on the same page as you, and really, it's a bit like a knife. A knife. What's the best knife to do surgery with? It's obviously it's got to be sharp, but given that there's different types of liposuction, I don't think any is wildly going to give you a better result than the other. However, the surgeons might give you different results. So you can spend your life researching the best type of liposuction, and however, if it's assisted in some way, but then you find a surgeon who's maybe not quite as familiar or experienced with things, is not going to give you a result just because of the rod that you put in his hand. It's all about the surgeon, really. And I think the benefits or the pluses and minuses of the different types of liposuction is very marginal, and there's no clear winner. If there's a clear winner, trust me, I'd use it. Why would I use the not clear winner of a liposuction world? There is good and bad about all of them. And it's just a question of where you are and where your surgeon is as well. So I would go with the surgeon and go with the liposuction that he or she uses, rather than choosing the type of liposuction first and then kind of looking for a surgeon to do it. I would say look for a surgeon and then just go with what they can do and see if they can help you and achieve the results you want. And if they can't, then fine, go and continue your search. But there is no best form of liposuction, otherwise we would all be doing it. And there is no best anything. There's no best implant, there's no best stitch, there's no best, there's a few technique for tummy tuck, things like that. There's a few techniques here and there, techniques of this and that, techniques of breast lifts. There's a few around, and I think they've all got merit. If there's a lot of people doing it, they've all got merit. Are you going to use a scar around the areola straight down, scar around the areola straight down and in the fold? What's the best sort of scarring to give someone who's having a breast lift? There's no best. They've all got pros and cons. Go with a surgeon who is comfortable doing the technique that they do and who you feel can give you the result that you want. That's the advice. And you know what I always say? That's the wrong one. Never accept a lift from strangers. Yeah. Never accept. Get the surgeon. Choose the surgeon. That's the important thing. Not the liposuction.